Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this very nice algebra equation x cube plus x is equal to 10 and we are interested to find x. Let's come to the solution. As x cube plus x is equal to 10, we can write 10 as add plus 2. Now x cube plus x, move this 8 and 2 from right hand side to left hand side. This will become negative 8 and this will become negative 2 is equal to 0. Now x cube plus x minus 8, we can write this as 2 cube minus 2 is equal to 0. Now rearranging x cube minus 2 cube plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. For simplicity, we can write this as x cube minus 2 cube plus this we can write this as x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now by using an algebraic identity, a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. So now this will become a minus b, which is x minus 2, and a squared x squared plus ab x multiplied by 2 plus b, which is 2 squared, plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 into x squared plus x multiplied by 2, 2x plus 2 squared 4 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we can take x minus 2 as common factor. So x minus 2 and inside the bracket x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus as x minus 2, which we have taken it common and inside 1 will be left, is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 into x squared plus 2x plus 4 plus 1 5 is equal to 0. Now by using zero product rule, we get x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. From x minus 2, adding 2 on both sides, 0 plus 2. So this negative 2 and plus 2 cancel each other. Here x is equal to 2. So this is the first solution of x. Now as this is a quadratic equation, we can solve this by factorization by completing square or by quadratic formula. X squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. The quadratic formula in x is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 5. So by using these values in this quadratic formula, we get x is equal to minus 2 plus minus b squared, which is 2 squared, minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, and multiplied by c, which is 5, divided by 2 multiplied by a, 1. Now x is equal to negative 2 plus minus 2 squared gives us 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 4 and 4 multiplied by 5 20. Divide by 2 multiply by 1 gives us 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 20, which is minus 16 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 16. We can write this as 16 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16 multiplied by minus 1. We can write this as square root of 16 and square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16 gives us 4, and minus 1 square root is equal to iota divided by 2. Now by taking 2 common from numerator, here inside minus 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2 gives us 4i divided by 2. Now x is equal to this 2 cancel with this 2, and here we will left with minus 1 plus minus 2i. So we have found here two values. X is equal to minus 1 plus 2i and x is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. First we have found that x is equal to 2, which is a real solution. And here say this is 2 and this is 3. So these are the complex solutions. We have found all three solutions. Thank you for watching.